Hey friends, it's Kay. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and thank you so much if this is your first time being here. I'm so happy to have you here. I wanted to come on and sit on the floor. You know, when I'm sitting on the floor in my office, it's like it's gonna be a good video. So Clover's back there. I don't know if you can see him. Actually, let's turn so you can get Clover. You can get Clover in the shot because Clover deserves to be part of this video. So he's having a nap. Anyway, I wanted to come on really quickly and say that videos for the next couple of weeks may be a little spotty, and it's not a bad thing. So first of all, I want to thank you so much. I hit 80,000 subscribers last week while I was visiting my parents, and I am just so grateful that 80,000 of you came to my space on YouTube and said yes. I'm flabbergasted. That's a lot of people. And I am so grateful that you come back to my channel, and some of you keep coming back to my channel and watching the videos and are so appreciative of the tips and the inspiration. And I'm so happy to make you happy and to make you inspired. That's really why I come here, is I want to make people happy and inspired. And more than anything, I want people to love their homes and love their lives and be appreciative of the people in their lives and the things in their lives, and have good relationships with the things in their lives. So I'm so grateful to have hit that milestone. It's kind of a weird one. It's not like 100,000, but it's not 50,000. It's like 80,000. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for just saying yes and giving me a chance and letting me into your brain and giving me your time, basically. I'm very appreciative of that, and supporting you know, a lot of what I do here. I'm super grateful, and I'm very humbled. And secondly, I've had a really eventful couple of weeks, and I just want to catch you guys up. I will get the big announcement out of the way. The big announcement is that we bought a house and we closed on it last week and are moving in a week from when I'm filming this video right now. So I don't know when I'm gonna post this. So I may have already moved, or I may post it this evening and you'll see it this evening. But I am so excited to have found our forever home, and I'll tell you guys a quick story about how it happened. This happened very quickly, and it wasn't something that really was in the works. It just kind of fell into our laps. So the whole process of buying this house happened really quickly. I will have documented the entire process, but long story short, we sold our last place because we needed more space. We moved into this rental. We anticipated we'd live here for 2 or 3 years before we bought our forever home. However, I saw a listing in our email blast from our real estate agents. This was like the week we were supposed to meet with our real estate agents to chalk down our list of things that we have to have, and, you know, dream house stuff. And I saw this listing for this house, and I was like, this is it. This is the dream. This is the dream house. What do I do? What do I do? Things moved really quickly, and everything just fell into place. Like, our real estate agent was friends with the seller's real estate agent, and there were lots of offers on the house, but we got the house. And I was so excited. I was just freaking out, and the whole going to closing situation was it was very stressful. There's some bumps along the way, but we did close last week, and we just did our final walkthrough this morning. And I want to tell you, I'm getting emotional, but why am I getting emotional? But this house is really special, and ticks all of our boxes, and is the home that I have always wanted, and is the home that of all of our homes that we've lived in and that we've owned, is the one that I feel like I feel the most protective of, and I want to nurture the most. Like, I feel like I've nurtured all of my homes that I've lived in, including this one, but this one is really special. Like, it's really special. We've got a little place for Clover to play. We've got outside space. We've got porches and gardens, and it's got beautiful closets. It's fireplace. It's just, It's everything, and I cannot wait to show you guys the new space and how we're gonna organize it. Like, spoilers, it looks like I live there already. So I'm not gonna have to like install a bunch of stuff, but it's just it's such a special place. I can't wait to share the journey with you all of getting out of here and getting into our dream home. So that is the announcement. So I think that just be prepared for some spotty uploads. I know that I didn't upload last week because I was sort of on vacation, but I was with my parents. It might be a little bit rocky as the week goes on, but I'm gonna do my best to stick to the schedule. I know that I'm like off of schedule already, but please just give me a little bit of grace when it comes to this whole process. It's gonna be a lot. We're moving in exactly 7 days and I have not packed one thing, but I'm going back to the house this afternoon to make sure the cleaners locked everything and just maybe take a couple of things, and I will take you with me on the journey. So please stay tuned. If you love moving content, this is the channel you want to subscribe to right now. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I just want to thank you guys for coming to my channel and saying yes. I love you all. I have 80,000 wonderful friends, and that's it. That's it. Clover loves you, and we'll see you later. So I'm gonna get started packing. All right. Take care of yourselves and the ones around you and your home too.